Have you ever wondered why living things like you and me are so different from non-living things like the air and these rocks? It's because our chemistry is so different. The chemistry of life is based on organic compounds that are rearranged by many chemical reactions. Most of the elements in organic compounds come from 5 main inorganic sources: water, carbon dioxide, nitrates, phosphates, and sulfates. The sugars that make fruits sweet and the proteins that make your muscles flex are organic compounds. So are lipids, including fats and the oils that come from nuts. Molecules of these types of compounds, along with nucleic acids, like the DNA of your genes, work together to make up living things. So, how are organic compounds formed from inorganic sources? The answer is photosynthesis. It happens inside organelles called chloroplasts, which are found in cells of plants and algae. These organisms are green because of the chemical chlorophyll. It's found right here in a chloroplast's inner membranes. You can think of a chloroplast as a tiny factory. When light shines on it, chlorophyll absorbs some light energy. This splits water molecules that move into the chloroplast. Their oxygen atoms form molecules of oxygen gas, which exit the chloroplast as waste. The light energy also makes electrons leave chlorophyll and flow through the inner membranes. This electron flow causes chloroplasts to make ATP, which is used to combine molecules of carbon dioxide from the air with hydrogen to make sugars. Plants use cellular respiration to release the energy stored in sugar molecules and transfer it to ATP. Animals also use this process to release the energy in the food they eat. Cellular respiration involves mitochondria, which are organelles found in plant and animal cells. A mitochondrion has an inner membrane with many folds, like these. But the process begins outside the mitochondrion. First, some ATP is used to split apart sugars in the cell's cytoplasm. Some ATP is made at the same time. The pieces of the sugars move into a mitochondrion, where a series of reactions breaks them down further. Carbon dioxide forms, along with a small amount of ATP. As the CO2 forms, electrons also flow through the mitochondrion's inner membrane. Lots more ATP forms as electrons flow toward oxygen molecules and water forms. So, in summary, photosynthesis uses light energy, water, and carbon dioxide to make molecules of food and oxygen. Cellular respiration transfers much of the chemical energy stored in food molecules to ATP. Together, these processes keep matter and energy moving through living things, including you.